Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is remove half nodes. So we have a binary tree and we have to remove all the half nodes. What is a half node? Which have only one child. So we have given this binary tree. Check, is the 5 half node? No, it is not. It has left and right both not null. So check for 7. Is this 7 half node? Yes, it is, because its left child is not null and right child is null. So we have to delete this particular node, and on this place we have 2. So we have modified 5 tree. So from 5 we have left hand side 2, on right side we have 8. So it is given in the in-order traversal. So let's build the approach. So first check, can we apply post-order traversal? Post-order means first go to left, then right, then node. So from 5 we will go to left hand side, then 7 go to left hand side, then from 2 go to left hand side. It will give us null. Then go to right hand side. It will give us null. So check for 2. Is this a half node? No, it is not. So we will return the complete tree from here. So then go to 7 right hand side. It will give us null. So check, is the 7 half node? Yes, it is, because its left child is not null. So we have a subtree on the left hand side. So we will return the subtree present on the left hand side. So we will return 2. Then go to right hand side. So we have 8. Then it's left null, right null. So it is also not a half tree, half node. So we will return 8 from here. So we have modified our tree and we have this. So let's code this. So we have to do post order traversal. First go to left hand side. So check. First go to left hand side and we have to modify our left subtree. So root dot left we have to modify, and while going to left hand side. Same goes for right hand side. Then check for current node. Is the current node half node? So we will check with this condition. If left is null and right is not null, so there is a subtree present on the right hand side. So we are only interested on this subtree, and we have to return. We have to delete the current node. So we will return the right hand side subtree. Same goes for left hand side. If left and right both not null, so we will return the node itself. So this is our answer. Let's submit this. Yes, we have submitted this code using post-order traversal. So now the question is, can we apply pre-order traversal? So this is, so we will now apply pre-order traversal. First checking for node, then left, then right. So we will check for 5. Is the 5 half node? No, it is not. Then we will move to left hand side and right hand side, and we will modify our 5 left and right, because there may be a chance that on the subtree itself it is modified. So we will check for 7. Is the 7 half node? Yes, it is. So we have a subtree present on the left hand side. So we are only interested in this, and we have to delete the 7. So we will return the subtree present on the right hand side. So we will move to right hand side and return the subtree from there. So we have this. So 6, then 4. So check for 6. Is the 6 half node? Yes, it is. So we have a subtree present on the right hand side. So we are only interested in this, and we will return the answer from this, from right hand side. So check for 4. Is the 4 half node? No, it is not. So it will give us 4, and from 6 we have to return the 4. So it will give us 4. It will give us 4. So from 7 we have to delete 7, because 7 is a half node, as I already discussed, and we have a subtree on the left hand side. So we will return the subtree present on the left hand side. So we have this subtree. Then move to right hand side, because node completed, then left, then move to right hand side. So we have 1. Move to check for node. Is this a half node? No. So move to left hand side. So is this a half node? Yes, it is. So there is a subtree present on the right hand side, so we are only interested in this subtree, and we will delete the 9, or we can say we will return the answer present on the right hand side. So we will return the answer from here. Is the 4 half node? No, it is not. So it will give us 4, and one one left side is modified, and now it is 4. Then go to right hand side. 2. Is this a half node? No, it is not. So our answer is this. So let's code this. So first check for node. So if there is a subtree present on the right hand side, then we have to remove the current node, and we are only interested on the right subtree. So we will move the move to right hand side and return the answer from there. Same goes for left hand side. If left hand side subtree is there, then we will move to that side and return the answer from there. Then simple, we have to do now. Node is completed, then left. So we have to return. So we have to modify our left subtree. So left subtree is modified while going to left hand side and right hand side. Okay. Now return your root node. Let's submit this code. If you are watching till now, a click on the subscribe button is highly appreciated. And as you can see, we have successfully solved this question using pre-order traverser also. So if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section, and thank you all for watching this video.